There are a couple of different ways to quickly create a draft. If the animal's in front of you in the watching position, in this case cow 210, just come across here and click draft left. Cow 210 will draft left at next appearance to the draft gate. Alternatively, if the animal is not in front of you, you can look up any animal using the action button, remove the number of the animal in focus, type in the number of the animal you wish to draft, and then click the draft direction, draft left. Cow 21 will draft left at next appearance.